Hello, my friends. My name is Sophia. Today, I will tell you about a very important topic: the difference between do and make. Do you ever feel confused? Do you say, I make homework or I do homework? Don't worry. Today, we will fix that together. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. It is 7 a.m. My house is quiet. First, I start my day with work. I go to my small desk. I do my emails. Writing emails is a job, so I use the word do. Then, I look at the floor. It is a little dirty. I do the cleaning. I use the vacuum cleaner. The sound is loud, but the floor becomes clean. After that, I go to the kitchen. There are many plates in the sink. I do the dishes. I use warm water and soap. The soap smells like fresh lemons. Remember, we use do for jobs, housework, and general activities. I do my work. I do the cleaning. I do the dishes. Stop. Let's look at a special rule. Use do for actions and work. You don't create a new object, you just complete a task. Look at this word, task. It means a piece of work or a job. Now, let's practice the 1-2-1 rule. Someone asks, "What are you doing?" You say, I am busy, 1 sentence. Housework, cleaning, 2 words. I do the laundry now, 1 sentence. See? Simple. Now, I am hungry. I want to create something delicious. I will make breakfast. I take 2 eggs and some flour. I make pancakes. I also make a cup of coffee. The coffee aroma is strong and wonderful. Next, I want to surprise my husband, Michael. I decide to make a chocolate cake. Before, I have sugar and cocoa. After, I have a beautiful cake. When we create something new, we use make. I make breakfast. I make coffee. I make a cake. Oh, I also need to make a phone call to my mother. I want to invite her for lunch. Creating a connection is also make. I make a phone call. Oh no, I made a mistake. I dropped a spoon and it made a loud noise. I also forgot to buy milk for the cake. I feel a little stressed, but it is okay. Mistakes are not failures, they are just data. I take a deep breath. I make a new plan. I will walk to the small store near my house. The fresh air will make me feel relaxed. At the store, Sophia. Hello, can I help you? Shop assistant. Yes, please. I need some milk. Sophia. Here is the milk. Anything else? Shop assistant. I also need to make a choice between these 2 breads. Sophia. The brown bread is very fresh. It smells sweet. Shop assistant. Thank you. You do a great job here. Sophia. Thank you. Have a nice day. Sophia talks to camera. See? We use make a choice and do a job. Now, let's practice together. This is the most important part. Repeat after me slowly. First, I do my homework every day. Pause for viewer. Second, I make a delicious cake for my family. Pause for viewer. Third, don't worry if you make a mistake. Pause for viewer. Very good. You are doing an amazing job. That is my day of doing and making. Today, we learned that do is for tasks and make is for creating. It was a simple day, but a happy day. I feel grateful for my home and for you. What about you? What do you do every morning? And what do you make for breakfast? Tell me in the comments. I love reading your answers. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join our family. Bye-bye.